Celebrate World Book Day with Google Play Books. Fun reading for kids. April 23rd is a special day for book lovers around the globe. It's World Book Day. And this year, Google Play Books is here to make your reading experience even more exciting and interactive for families and kids. Get ready to dive into a world of stories with 2 fantastic features that will turn your reading time into a delightful adventure. Experience story time like never before with Read and Listen. Imagine snuggling up with your little ones as their favorite stories come to life. With the Read and Listen feature from Google Play Books, entire ebooks are read aloud while the pages turn automatically. It's like having a personal storyteller right at home. Check out our specially curated collection of children's books that you can enjoy with Read and Listen here. https://play.google.com/story/books/streamchild/promotion_kids_refresh:_arm_force. Unlock fun with reading rewards stickers. Who doesn't love a little reward? As kids explore the wonderful world of children's books in the Google Play Books Android app or Google Kidspace, they can earn vibrant and exciting digital stickers. These stickers are displayed in the Kid Reader Toolbar's Prizes section, encouraging them to keep reading and building strong habits. Ready to embark on this reading journey? Discover a hand-picked selection of children's books here. https://play.google.com/store/books/category/call_1689. And if you're on the lookout for great deals, we've got you covered with a variety of ebooks for under $5 here. https://play.google.com/store/books/streamchild/promotion_ebook_deals_refresh:_arm_force. And audiobooks for under $6 here. https://play.google.com/store/books/streamchild/promotion_e=refresh:_arm_force. Let's make this World Book Day a memorable one filled with laughter, learning, and lots of reading.